This is Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn prices were higher yesterday as they caught a ride on the coattails of the soybean market, in addition to posting decent weekly export sales of 1.37 million metric tons. Now, compared to the average year, the U.S. has 7% greater than normal corn export commitments on the books for this point in the year. It appears as if the way the year is unfolding, we could see the USDA eventually increase their export projections for corn by an additional 100 million bushels. Soybean oil got a boost when Stats Canada released a smaller than expected Canadian canola production number. In fact, at 18.7 million metric tons, it is the smallest Canadian canola production number in the last 5 years. The report helped to move soybeans higher as well, with the bean market recouping roughly 40% of what they lost in the first 3 trading days of this week. Looking at South America, we had rainfall across far southern Brazil, but only light rain elsewhere in Brazil, with the central areas staying dry. Mato Grosso, Brazil's highest producing bean region, is expected to turn drier after next week, and if that turns out to be the case, it could be supportive to bean prices. Wheat prices tumbled as traders were reminded once again that we have a plethora of wheat in the world. Stats Canada reported their all-wheat production at a higher level than what the trade was expecting. And that, coupled with an Australian crop that seems like it just keeps getting better, we had wheat prices retreating yesterday. Cotton prices also continued to slide backwards, with the March futures ending the day 49 points lower as they settled at 71.11. Livestock futures were lower straight across the board as well. February live cattle ended the day $1.35 lower, while January feeder cattle were down $2 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures also lost ground, with the February futures down 95 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures had the best session we've seen lately, with December futures ending up 26 points higher as they closed at $15.45. Meat cutout values all retreated. Choice box beef was $1.70 lower, closing at $239.19. Select boxes were $3.02 lower as they settled at $219.93. Pork carcass cutout values lost ground as well, ending the day $3.41 lower, closing at $76.45 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.